What up, Nizam? What up? What up? Just light work today, beer. Real light work. Oh, let's see what else we can add to. Dude, I'm telling you, you just stick to your trade plan and it works. That's it. Stick to the trade plan. What up, Mara? You want me to? You looks like I'm minus. There we go. Changed. Better? Yo, I just changed it. You're going to have to refresh the screen to see it. Yeah, in the title. I switched it. Appreciate the feedback. So yeah, we got some gains here. I mean, I said before I left, I'm gonna short it into Trump talking. You would have got the big red bar down. I mean, I said it so many times on the live stream earlier today. We got it. I played some gold here up in this funded account. I think this one, that's an eval. I also passed an account. They didn't give it to me yet, but I'll have another funded account. Dude, things were really good off that Trump dump. Trump dump? I don't know if I like the white one or the black. I don't know which. What up, Double O? Yo, on top of all that today, also, I have. So I'm going on Topstep TV. So I have two accounts I'm up 1,500 on today. This one, that one I torched, and then this one. Is this one over with? Do I have juice still left in this? I'm just curious. I'm going to try flipping.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah.
Order filled.
Dude, I could turn this around. Stock's finally going up. Things are making a move. Things are definitely making a move. Oh, I just cracked my ankles. There's a couple stocks that are down that I'm looking at. What up, Nism? Oh, somebody actually commented on my video. I meant to leave a comment. It was Mad Moxie. Let me see. What did they ask? On the 4K PA account, trade your normal setup. They were asking about the PA account that I'm up $4,000 in today. Yo, Andy, first of all these are green. This PA is green. This one was down $600, which is now basically break even. And then I have another PA. I'm up $840 in. The only PA I'm down in, I have this Bullnox PA that I'm up 225 in. Less than 1,000 away from a payout. The only one I'm down in is this. I need to get this one back. Let me get it going. All right, I got that pulled up right now. If I can get that one up, oh baby. I got some of these other accounts I could definitely trade in too. Yeah, Marco, if I could get to it's like up 13,000, so I need 11 more $1,000. Yeah, that account is set up for a lot of payouts. It'll probably end up I know, man. I know. It was an accident. I didn't even mean to do it. If I had more pro accounts, I probably would have done one in a pro. Coach Cove tutoring. Yeah. I'm just trying to. What is her? I'm guessing my best month? Like my best month ever? Dude, I would have to go back. I would have to really go back to look what my best month ever was. I would probably say my best month ever was into the 6 figures. I've had, it would most likely be, what was that, 2020 in March when we dumped. We dropped, and I remember like 3 days in a row, I did like 12,000, 8,000, and like 9,500 in like 3 days in a row. I would probably have to go back and look, but that month I was like crushing it, and then I played it back the other way. That was probably my best month ever, was when we had the COVID crash. I can lose 2,000 a day and take a payout at 6K. I could, but would it be as fun? I don't know. I kind of feel like I have a 150K account now. I used to have, from 2020 to 2022, or I should say to 2021, I was having days, like my normal day was a fluctuation. If I only gained or lost $1,200, it was basically like nothing. My account was swinging 2,500 to like 5,500 every single day for years, for like 2 years straight. And I just couldn't, I after a while, I just kind of was like, I took a lot of the money out, and I took a lot of the money out because I could see myself blowing it all at some point when things just weren't working. And I redistributed a lot of my money. Dude, that's another thing. Yeah, I've been there, man. Yo, I'm just gonna lose $2,000, and all of a sudden I'm up another 4. The only way you can lose money, the easiest way, is you wait till after hours when they have a point, at least a point spread, and you just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell real quick. That's the only way to do it. Because the spread kills you. The spread, you're basically given a point to a point and a half up every single time you buy. But yeah, let me see if I can find some for you. I have some fucking screenshots and shit that are like years. I had to stop. Yeah, let's see if I could find a couple. They're all on E-Trade. It's all options based. But I was dude, like a madman. All right, so here is one day. You ready for it? Was this one day? I think this was one day. Let's see if you guys can see it. This might have been one day, or it was like, so I'm gonna fucking just send it to myself. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Dude, I was playing Big Wood. I don't think you, I know a lot of these guys want to play big. I was playing big. That might have been a day. I think that was the day that Royal Caribbean absolutely fucking shit itself. But yeah, That was on the way down. That was actually March 13th, 2020. Yeah. Dude, I got fucking screenshots from all that. I'm just going through them now. Brings back memories, man. I'm just telling you, it was a lot of money moving around. Oh, anybody play the Trump dump? Any Trump dumpers? I played that. That was this whole candle. Is he done talking? I need a shave. Every dip got gobbled up. Yeah, man. I don't know what he was talking about, to be honest with you. I was in the middle of doing some other shit. I got to, yo, what up, CT? Oh, you like that stuff? Here, CT, I just dug up something. I don't know why where the fuck did it just go? Here you go, CT. When I used to play heavy options. March 2020. March 13th. Please shave. I'll probably end up shaving. I'll probably end up shaving at some point. Probably on Friday. Yeah, well, somebody, I forget even how we got on the topic, but I was talking about how I used to play big money. Oh, somebody asked me what my biggest month was. And I said it was into the six figures. But like, and I was trying to guess on what month it was. And I think March 2020 was my biggest month ever. And then I dug up a screenshot on my phone. And that was, I think, one day of trading. I was also playing with a lot of money. I wasn't playing with 50 grand. And it was all options. And it was all like short dated. Whoa, take profit traders service has gotten worse. What's wrong, Ism? Grow a Viking beard? Yo, I show up to the stream and I got some of my lunch still on the beard. I don't understand. What did they what was the issue? What's the issue with a nice flavor saver? Tell my wife about it the next day. How high will the market go? Oh, dude. The market can't go any higher on a lot of account gravestones. I can tell you that. The market can't go any higher. Some guy is still waiting for the crash when the NQ was at 7,000. Starting an OnlyFans where you only shave. Dude. People just want to see me shave. What? Get out of here. What prop firm was that? Yo, what up, Brad? What up, Akash? Dude, what prop firm was that? Yo, we got a lot of green here. I also got 2 Topstep accounts. This one's down. This one's max for the day. This one's max for the day. I'm going to turn this one. I'm going to turn that one back around. Please wax your back as well. I go the shave route. I got the back blade. The back blade does wonders. Withdrawal of funds is delayed. What? Why is the withdrawal of funds delayed? When did you submit a payment, Nism? What's up, Marie? Was it my funded future? Yeah, Take Profit Trader normally has no problems. That's to me Take Profit Trader is the #1 all around prop firm that there is. Like as a company, I trust them more than the rest of them probably. I've never heard one issue with Take Profit Trader. Yo, my funded futures is getting heat because an old message from 2022 came out about Matt saying something about payouts. I'll be honest with you, my funded futures has been great to me. My funded futures pays out really, they paid me out in 30 seconds. So I have no problems. Maybe because I'm I don't know. Design, I was long gold. I smoked gold on, I'll show you the big candle. I got in right here and out right here. I did, look, see, I'm in gold here. I did 300 there, and I did like 200 in another account. I've had several issues with Take Profit Trader, but I blow them up and they fix it. Yeah, well, that's all it takes. Oh, dude, that was like 2022 about Matt Leach. There's a screenshot. Yeah, Kevin. 1 point is $100. Dudes, don't tell everybody else about it. It's too good. Don't tell everybody. The props will make us stop trading it. I actually got interested in it because you guys started talking about it. Marie was talking about platinum. And then I was trading Asia one night and somebody was like, you should trade gold during this time. And gold has been very good to me. I've only had one losing trade in gold, and I think I'm up to like 15 trades. I think I'm like 14 for 15 in gold trades right now. PL, I think, for platinum. There's not like much volume. There's not much volume in it. Marie was playing it though. Marie knows what she's doing. Dude, for like 4 days in a row, she was stacking gains. We asked her how much she was up. It took her like 15 minutes to figure it out. She's like, hold on, I'm adding it all up. I'll just go to it. Here, look, it's PL, probably J. Probably H or J. Probably not that one. PLJ. There you go. I have never traded it before, but Maria's up on it. Trump is about to speak. Oh, baby. Yeah, I will say, Marie, like not blowing accounts and focusing on small wins is definitely the way. Should I buy a Danny Trades course? I mean, if the numbers make sense and you don't look at the charts and, you just look at the numbers and, you just do the numbers and then you just make money. I mean, that's all you got to do. The numbers. I'm not playing the NKD and Photoshop the numbers. Always Photoshop the numbers. You guys don't even realize, but this is Photoshopped right here. I wonder if somebody has tried that to Photoshop numbers on the screen, like overlay it, I guess. Oscar. Well, here's the issue. Are you brand new? Have you gotten payouts or have you gotten payouts and you're working yourself up? Because depending on where you are in your trading journey, I would recommend different prop firms. How's that sound? That's my best recommendation, depending on where you are. If you are brand new, I would recommend probably my funded futures. If you're like brand new and never done it at all, ever, very new, I would say just go get like an Apex account because they'll give you Tradeovate with it. It's for like a 50K account, and I would trade MNQ and just trade like one at a time and get the feel of what you're looking at. You're most likely going to end up blowing at least your first couple of accounts. So that's why I tell you to go to Apex. If you've traded a little bit and kind of know what you're doing, my funded futures is good. And then once you get payouts, take Profit Trader is where it's at. Take Profit Trader, Tradeify. You could spend money on like better quality accounts because you're getting payouts from them. It's how to trade. It's how to trade live money. Oh, man. So I got Kona coffee today. It's so good. Yo, what up, Horizon? How to blow an account fast and easy. Dude, you can blow these accounts so quick. It's crazy. I still have the breaks from earlier. 1, 2, so freaking clean. This one was so clean. Seeing a leg up or double top. Well, I mean, we had the leg up. We might get a third leg up. to new highs. You know, that last third leg is usually the biggest one. So maybe we'll blow off the top and then we'll come back down. We might touch the pivot point at 77. Basically, you'd clean up all these, you would draw the people in for the breakout. People who are short, you'd stop them out, and then you reject here, and then you go back down, possibly. Jeez, Keith, where's your mind at, bro? Yo, so look, it caught that today. I got a new breaker block script too. It looks much better than the other one I had. It's volumized breaker blocks, just easier to see on the chart. Yo, I'm going to be honest with you. People that want to like take a short right here, I used to be the guy that would try to short the double top. I'm telling you, I started journaling that trade. It loses more times than it wins. I'm just telling you that from experience. 60% of the time, it doesn't work every time. When is Trump? I think Trump's talking right now, Luna. But yeah, I mean, I'll be honest with you. You guys that take certain trades that aren't backed on back testing, you should journal them and say, hey, I'm taking this trade again. Look, what happens? What happens? And then all of a sudden you'll start to see like, hey, that's a bad trade that I thought was a winning trade. Yo, it can't go any higher. The same guys that have been talking about it can't go any higher since 7,000. Nah. Dude, there's some guy from down here saying it can't go any higher as we just continue to go fucking higher. Yo, it can't go any higher. Can't go any higher. Yo, it can always go higher. Think about what makes it go higher, though. If you really want to take a step back, and this will change your outlook on it, right? Your money depreciates every single day, right? We can all agree on that. Whatever your dollar is worth today is worth less next month, right? Maybe not a significant amount, but a small enough amount. As your dollar becomes worth less, the market continues to go up because those companies are worth money. It costs more dollars for that company. Plus, everybody who's working, their retirement money goes into the stock market. What happens every month? First week of the month, deposits. There's money always flowing into the stock market. So overall, the market is going to go up. I can just show you a freaking example of that. This is the greatest example of all time on why the market goes up. So if you don't know, options, they bake in where the market is going to go. If you look at the premiums, the premium for the market to go down is $8. The premium that you have to pay for the market to go up is almost 50% higher, which means the market's probably going to fucking go up. You can look at it in the stock premium, in the options premiums. The options premiums are calling for the market to go up by a significant more amount than go down. There's too many things that prop the market up. Double tops that are far apart are indeed unreliable. The tops need to be closer. Yeah. Yeah, I agree on that statement. First of all, if you got a double top, technically it wouldn't confirm until it would break the bottom, and that's a long way. You're looking for a double top that are close, and then it breaks the valley. The valley here would be 892, which is way too far. Yeah, like if you wanted to, you know, I mean, I'm probably not freaking shorting this. I was just saying when we were down here that I would not short it here. If you were going to take a shot, like if somebody told me I had to short it, I would have taken a shot at 77 if I was like forced to take it. But dude, the previous month high is at 093. If we sweep the high and come back down, I would short that. How's that sound? I would be looking for that more than anything. But those are still people still in the game. Otherwise, the market would go at zero at the end of the day. Yeah, I was just saying the money keeps pouring in. This is the pivot point script. I would love to see us go to like 105 and then come back through. Yo, I brought up the freaking 3-year and we are right there. But no, I know what you're saying. I know exactly what you're saying. I'm with you. I mean, I would just, you can always back test it and say, hey, every time we get a double top within a half-hour time frame or an hour or later, what happens? And then you just back test it. That's what I do. Those videos that you watch me back test, I come up with a trade that I like and I just back test. And you could back test the double top if you want. I mean, if you grabbed off the pivot point, you're freaking up. You're up. I mean, you're up almost 10 points. Somebody, I'm seeing, did somebody grab that at the top? Who grabbed it at the, somebody just grabbed it at the pivot point. They said something about 2 points. Did you grab it? I can't find it on the scroll. Oh, CT, did you grab it? Oh, you took that long? I'm guessing this. I still think it's got more juice in it. I feel like it almost has a magnet to 22,100 or previous month high. 45s. Yeah. I got you. I got you. No, never. What you really want to see is a bounce with a lower high and then come down and break below this candle. I think it's going to suck shorts in, though. I think it's going to suck shorts in and it's going to bring it right back up. This is just an eval, just letting anybody who's new here know I would not trade a funded account right here. Do not trade a. I could see that body bag. I think you would have to get under the 34 to get some sell stops. But right here, you're kind of holding up this high right here. You got the 34, and it just kind of seems like we're going to bounce back up. But Trump's talking. Just remember that. Trump's talking. This thing can just wick down for no reason. Come on. I'm just trying to make my losses back. I'm just trying to make my losses back. Yo, what up, John? What up, Enchanted? Trump markets. Yo, it's getting crazy up in here. Yo, I'm loving the Trump market, man. We were on the stream this morning, and I said right before Trump gets on, I'm going short. And I caught this whole thing during lunchtime. That was the dump. If you've noticed, anytime you get a big dump like that and you get the V-shaped recovery, you always trend up after that. The percent that it trends up is like 90-something percent. Big dumps. They call them big dumps. Just stacking gains. What up, Walter? Yo, people definitely got caught going short there. Yo, Mad Moxie, I responded back to you. Hanging in there. What's up, Bartolo? Yeah, I mean, that's where I would say the target is the monthly high. That's where I would. What up, Kitty? Kyle's in here. I will admit I'm stuck in a gold short. Hold up. That is bleeding me out. Let's look. See, this is what I would want to see right here. Watch this. That's
Order filled.
I kind of want this. If this gets, I'm taking that if we close down here. I'm taking that in my pro account. I want to see it. I want to see it come down. Dude, that gold was looking really good, man. I got a 5-minute, I got an hourly on gold. So this is the trend line on gold all the way back to January 27th. If you look, we've been riding this trend line. We finally broke it. But once we were able to get back over it, I mean, gold is definitely trending up. I didn't play this because this is all during like news and everything. So I didn't play that indicator. But gold is trending up. As long as it stays, I would just say we're going to keep riding this trend line until it actually breaks. They had the opportunity to really dump it here, and they did not. Does it not make a new high here? That would be wild if it came back down. $93 is, I want to see this and then back down. It actually go right. Yeah, the pivot point's right here. I'm wondering if this collapses and rolls. Like the next 5-minute candle, you want to get below 62, and I would say we're going to travel way down. I don't like picking the tops, Joshua. I normally wait for a lower high to be met. The only reason I went in with this account is basically dead. It was down almost $1,700, so I just kind of took a Hail Mary, I guess. But I'm not in it otherwise. You just in it too deep. Yeah. I've been there where you're riding the hopium. I hope it does this. I hope it comes back. Bro, the CPI numbers were so awful. I can't believe we're still up. CPI numbers were so bad. I don't understand it. I do not understand it. PPI wasn't great either. Yo, what up, Waldo? PPI wasn't great either. Like, and this is what kind of has me thinking that we kind of, all right, so hear me out, right? The CPI numbers weren't great back in 2020, 2021, right? And they weren't great. And then all of a sudden the market decided to care about it. Once the market decides to care about it, we're in for months of trending down. But it's not going to be until the market actually cares about it. And obviously they don't care about it one bit. They don't care about it. So I would just say, just hold on. Keep holding. Dude, I'm wondering what I'm in here. Dude, I hate this Robinhood app, to be honest with you. This Robinhood app's the worst. You're waiting for ES to hit the pivot point in short? Maybe they're lying about the numbers before, now it's real numbers? I don't know. I don't know. You know who does care? MP cares about you, Cove. Dude, I don't understand myself how they just let the numbers get so fucking bad. I don't understand. Dude, I'm trying to get to the fucking thing. I don't understand how the numbers could be so bad. Ben Riley, am I going to enter a trade? Maybe. You want to see me enter a trade?
Order filled.
There we go. I don't even know why I'm on micros. I mean, must be. Ben messaged me and said he was going to pay me for my Take Profit Trader account if I lose it due to him telling me to get in a trade. That was the word. Ben said he was going to pay for an account for me. That was the word. Dude, I figured they would at least touch 2100 here. The Topstep rules, yeah. Forget free longs, free accounts. Yo, the Topstep rules, yeah, you want me to go over it? Here we go. I'm pulling it up. So I saw online that basically excessive trading could be buying more than 10 new trading combines in a month or more than 2 resets per day. So it's either 10 new trading combines in a month or 2 resets per day. And if you exceed the limit, your account could be temporarily paused or restricted from new purchases. Obviously, Topstep has not met a degen like myself, but 10 accounts in a month seems fucking light. Schemers and scammers. Yo, should I ask the guy at Topstep, when does that start so I can buy all my accounts before it starts? I should ask, be like, yo, what if I buy them all right now? Does it how much capital do I need to start trading futures? I just got into trading and realized to enter most trades, you need like 20K. That is not true at all, Ben. If you trade prop firms, you basically buy an eval, you hit a certain profit mark, and then you get to a live funded account. You hit a profit mark, and then you could pull money out. If you trade live in a live account like AMP, you could probably do it with like $1,000. Yo, when I get on Topstep TV, how many resets? Bro, imagine when I'm on there, I'm like, yo, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna reset these 5 accounts real quick. And then I'm like, okay, I'm back. And I'm just like, 5 minis. We're in long, 5 minis. Just start freaking smoking accounts. There is more to it. They blocked one of my accounts yesterday after I hit 4K. Yeah, Brad, they're trying to go away from that, is what they're trying to get away from. They're trying to get away from, they call it windfall trading. They don't want you to make $4,000 because you bracket traded or took a risk on news. They want you to make $4,000 actually trading. That's what the deal is right now. No, they don't want you to get lucky, because technically you can get lucky. Like, I did $4,000 in this PA account today. Like, I knew what to do. I knew how to set it up, but I got lucky, obviously. They don't want that to happen. Yeah, I mean, they're just, listen, the problem is prop firms are more popular than ever right now. And there's a lot more of people just following other people's trades, and I think they're losing money. Like, for argument's sake, say all 50 people in this room followed me today, and some of you guys, like, but instead of in all accounts, you guys did it in one Topstep XFA. You would 50 people requesting, I don't know, $7,000, $8,000, like, you would drain them so quick. And I think it's the rise of people who are putting themselves out there that are profitable, making other people profitable, or making the prop firms not profitable. That's what I think is happening. Like, there's people in here that have taken like trades that I make $200 on and make thousands. Topstep, what up, Yuzan? What up? Yeah, I feel like that's a little bit of a conflict of interest that they trade on Topstep TV, blow accounts, which kind of people follow them, and then they're blowing accounts. Yeah. Well, I'm guessing they have to get rid of the thing that says only one rule, because there's no more just one rule. There's a lot of rules now. But you could always fade them. But they've lost so much money that fading them is like a thing now. Like, I'm fading them. Like, that's so crazy to me that fading a company is a thing. Then they blame it on risk management, improper risk management. I think personally, I don't think there's a way to trace people copy. No, there's no way. Well, I mean, there's a way. I'm sure they can run a script that shows who got long here and then who sold here and pull out all those people and then see if it continues. They can definitely figure that out with a script. That's not 10x. That's not 10 XFAs. I think that's 10 evals. That's 10 new trading combines a month. That's not XFAs. That's trading combines. Imagine that. Dude, how am I going to make billions and billions if they're limit me to only 10 combines?
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and
kind of, but a lot of times I put my orders in. Like, I'll just be like, hey, we're dropping. I got my orders in, and it's like well before. Like, you got more than enough time to follow. Like, more than enough time. The reason prop firms make money, I would say, is not because people can follow profitable people, but the problem is people want to trade, so they'll start trading in between and not waiting for the right setups, and that's what ends up burning them. I would say if all of us were trading in the market, so if you had an extra, I don't know, 50,000 people, you would think that the market would move a little bit different with 50,000 more people putting real orders in. That's a lot of money of orders. I think it's easier to trade live because I don't have to worry about a drawdown. I let my live trades run because I don't worry about a drawdown at all. Like, argument's sake, I actually got long right here, right? And I took my trade off right here. Obviously, if I was in one of these accounts, I would have got stopped out here. But the real trade for me to get in here, my stop loss would be 888. That would be that. I get in here, my stop loss is 888. And most likely I'm targeting right up here. I'm most likely targeting 58. The problem is when you're trading in these sim accounts, there's a trailing drawdown. So if I get up here and then I drop from 980 all the way to I drop 70 points, I might blow my account up. Why? I won't blow my personal account up. First of all, I got in at 40 and I'm willing to let it sit 50 points. 50 points in 5 micros is, what is that, $500? I all day I'd let my personal account move around $500. But that's why I trade both differently. Yo, what up, Sleeper? So like that's a prime example where I would get in here and I take gains quicker in sim accounts, and personal accounts I would let this just run. And that's kind of why I want to trade this account, because the drawdown is more now. I am going to let that move around. I'm probably going to play this account for larger gains, being that I don't have a drawdown anymore. Dude, I just showed you a screenshot where I made fucking like $40,000 in like, I think that was a day of trading. I obviously have, my accounts are obviously large. Yeah, I'm all about holding it. You just have to have the margin requirements to hold it. Dude, I've been doing this trading shit for too long, man. No, I don't think it was a jab at all. I didn't take it like that. I just been doing it so like my accounts are obviously larger than the average person is not. I know the average person here is probably not going to sit there and take a $500 personal loss on one trade. Or you're going to go down to like one micro and let it move around for like $50 or $100. But yeah, I mean, listen, the fact that I heard that she donates to an animal shelter is awesome. Do I believe everything on the internet? I could tell you I don't. Wait, if I have 10 accounts, you can reset 20 times a day? No, oh yeah, I guess you can. Right? That's kind of what it said. Yeah. Well, if you have more than 2 resets per trading combine in a day. Yeah, you're right. You are. So I guess that's what you got to do is just got to reset the accounts. I'm only playing the stats here. We've basically bounced every single time we're riding the 34. I am just following the trend. If this breaks, I am out. I'm just looking to scalp. This is not a high conviction trade by any means. To me, we're just following this trend. We're oversold on the 1, and I would expect to see some type of bounce here, possibly to like 83. I'm just trying to get like 50, $60 maybe. I just want to lay out what I'm looking for here so, people don't think it's some massive trade. There you go, 75. I got to open the door for my kids. Hold on one second. Nice. So, okay. So I laid that trade out. That's the stuff that for anybody new, that's the stuff I like looking at, where we're just kind of riding the trends and things like that. And then we're severely oversold. You can catch $80, $80 in a funded account real quick is definitely nice. I'm not looking for massive gains there. That to me doesn't mean we're going to go back up to the top. I just think we're getting, what do we get? 4 points. We might go back up higher, but that's all I was looking for. Is that VWAP or an EMA? It's a 34 EMA. 34 EMA. You got to look. What is the market respecting? The market's kind of respecting it. We're kind of trending up. You could see that we're also oversold. Bartolo, Nice, man. Congrats. Ooh, I just got an alert. Hold on one second. What I do not see. We didn't close it. Yo, the reason why I like Take Profit Trader is there are no rules. Literally, there are no rules. The only rule you have to follow is you can't trade news 1 minute before or 1 minute after a news event. Outside of that, you can do whatever you want. You can DCA, you can do anything you want. That's what makes them so great. Honestly, that's why I tell everybody, like, Take Profit Traders, the freaking, if you are not brand new and you're there and you're getting some payouts and stuff, Take Profit Trader is the best. I wish they ran a little bit better of a deal like they were running. I wish they were running the no activation fee deal, honestly. That's what I wish they were running. Oh man. Dude, I just got an alert. Trump is going to start naming names that were in the government fraud. I got them on freaking. Trump will be naming the criminals that were stealing from the American taxpayers tomorrow at the press conference. Oh, geez. Shit's about to get wild. Yo, so the eval, the only rule that's in the eval is you can only do 50% a day. That's it. And then you can, after you're up, you do 50% day one, 50% day two, and then you can just kind of flip contracts for 5 days and then you pass the account. Yo. They're swearing Kennedy in? That's freaking cool. Not gonna lie, this thing's teetering on giving a sell signal right here. I'm jumping the gun with one. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. The call, well, activation fee is 130. The cost depends on what your doing. I don't know what account you're doing. What like the 50K is $85. I might ride this. See, when I size down, I'm willing to let it move around. I'm not necessarily looking for a scalp. Listen, we probably get down to like 48. I'm probably going to be good with that. I don't want to see it close over. I don't want to see it close. I don't want to see it close over the 9 or over the 34. That would not be good for me. Come on. Come on, market. Push that. Push it. Push it real good. I'll be honest with you. At this point, I'm moving my stops down to right here above this candle. I do not want this to flip green. I want to see continuation from this candle and the next candle, and I want to see a real push is what I want to see. I don't want to see this candle flip green. You know, you don't want to go above the high of that candle. You want to now break below 62 and get a nice flush with continuation is what I'm looking for. It's okay if we stall here, but I definitely do not want to break above 68. And I'm fine with that, taking a small loss there. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But that's, you know, you just follow your rules. Just like if I was in short here like I was in my other account, my stop would have been moved down to 69, and then I would move it down, and you just keep moving it down because you want continuation. You do not want a candle to break over the previous one. Yo, what up, Plusa? Come on, baby. It's not looking good. That's fine. If I get stopped, I get stopped. I mean, I'm only doing this. If they don't fill that, I'll catch more on the way down. If they stop me out on the way up, I'm out. I can't believe they grabbed one and not both. So freaking crazy. I think it definitely looks dumpy. See, but there we go. I mean, we made money in the other accounts. It might bounce back up to 76, which is the pivot point, and then reject. Kind of got like a see, I'm not into holding while going against me, even though the real I'm still would be short-minded until it breaks over 77. Over 77, you broke the trend, you're probably going to head up. I'm not looking to short right here. We've crossed to the upside. I'll let this play out a little bit. But a no break over 77 and then get below. I'm just putting my orders in, see if it plays out. Oh, dude, I have no idea. I don't get into politics, but there's definitely money being spent in the government. Jay Mooney. Just stochastics. Indicators. You got to go to explore community indicators. And it's this one. I mean, this could rip. This could definitely rip. All right, well, I got 1,500 in this one and 1,500 in this one today, and I blew one, so we'll see what happens. Dude, if I could change this, I need $22. Dude, can I get $22 on a scalp? What would I need? What would I need? I need 22 bucks. This is where I get in trouble, folks. I want $22. I'm in the wrong fucking account. Oh, I can't believe I just did this. Oh, I just did this in the wrong account. I kind of hope I lose on it. So, yeah, fucking, I did it in the wrong account. So stupid. Oh, trade micros. Oh, I had it. I had it for a split second. Oh, I fucking had it. This is going to push. Just fucking push. Push. Push it. That's a really good freaking setup. Oh, they just did that? That's what I get trying to get $22. I try to get 22 freaking dollars. 7 minutes until 7 minutes until market on close orders. That got filled on the way down. I don't know how much I like that. I don't really like that. I'm going to get stopped out. See what happens. $76 is the pivot point. Over, well, we flipped this fair value gap green. You can see right there, you got the arrow up. I kind of, I'm give me my fucking $70, man. Dude, new highs. It's just, he's still talking, right? Is he still talking? Anybody know if he's still talking? This is the spot that you would get rejected at right here. Look at this. It actually looks really good. Look, this is the 15-minute. I'm getting out of this shit. If there was more time in this market, dude, this would be an awesome short all the way down. You got like 50 points. Kennedy is talking now. I mean, I would run a tight short. My short would cover at 80. If I were to go short, I'd probably cover at 80. I'm curious what happens right at the pivot. It's over. Below 69 would get it ripping. The problem is, I bet you it doesn't move. In a crying voice? What? I bet you it doesn't move until the market on close order in 3 minutes. And it's going to go one way or the other, and you're going to probably miss the move. Dude, I just have this weird feeling we're going to new highs. They are just buying the fuck out of this thing. Why? The numbers are bad. Why are they just keep buying it? What's the deal here? Bad numbers. Just keep buying it. Another solid day in my E-Trade account. Just keep the fucking train going. STZ caught me down 2 G's on that. All right, I'm getting out because market on close order happens in less than 2 minutes. Hedging. Do a lot of hedging. I just hedge. I would think that a big dump is going to come at some point. Just kind of feels like a big dump is coming. You got credit card debt. You got all types of shit. Take the gold long. Yo, here's a question. Does market on close happen in gold too? Any advice on how to manage trailing drawdowns? I'll be honest with you. Taking profits and moving up your stop is the best way. It kind of limits your profits to the upside because you can't let the trade move, but it stops you from having a massive drawdown. Because you really have to watch your drawdown. But then once you get over, like, here's an example. My drawdown is now $4,000. So now I could take a trade here and let it move around because my drawdown doesn't matter. Oh, Marie, does it really move with metals? Holy shit. They popped this all the way up. all the way up. Dude, I don't know if I'm going to mess around here. Scalping, moving your stops up, you know, you got to just realize you're probably not going to get all of the move because you can't let the drawdown really go against you. Like, for argument's sake, if you would have taken like the long here and then didn't take it here, your drawdown would have been almost smoked. And then even though you're on the right side of the trade, where you probably would have stayed in with a real, like a live account, you're out because of the drawdown. Yeah, I mean, that's just move your stops up and don't let it go too far against you. And then once you're over a certain amount, though, you can then do more things. It kind of opens the door up to letting trades work better. Do not follow this. This isn't like, do not follow this. Oh my God, I'm in the wrong fucking account. Oh. I was in the wrong account. Dude, it happens. This is why I don't. What was happening worse before this was I was trading PA accounts as if they were evals. Starting tomorrow, I'm just going to have all funded accounts in Apex. I passed 3 of the 5 accounts I have, so I have 3 more funded, and I'm just trading. They're just all funded. Yeah, I've been doing Asia at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Asia has been working for me. Come on, little flag, pop this back up. You know what's weird is, look at this. This candle stops at 89, right? Take Profit Trader has the big wick all the way up. Eastern, yeah, Eastern. That's so weird. Take Profit Trader has the big wick. What candle is that? 50? See, they don't have it. They have nothing to the upside here. That's wild. You would think it's the same thing because it's Tradeovate. Am I on micros and minis? Oh, I am. Oh, fuck me. I'm letting this ride. I'm curious if they just push this end of day all the way up. Watch them just fucking jack this thing all the way up end of day. Just there, I just got 70 bucks there. Look at this. Look at this shit. Told you. I told you 200 bucks in that funded account. I got this one back down to only 32 bucks. I freaking had a feeling it was coming. Oh, they just dumped on somebody. They're going to pin it at 22,100. They're going to pin it at 20. I don't think it's going to go very far. I think they're going to close it right around here. They're going to close it right here, or they're going to run it like 50 freaking points. I don't think we're going to go down, personally. Dude, I want to get my $32, though. Can I get my 32 bucks? Come on, give me my $32. Come on. I mean, do not follow this trade. I am just playing around for literally, I'm taking like an $18 loss. This is just me playing around to turn this green. Do not follow. Do I think it's going to go up? Yes, but do not, it's not like a, I am break even right here. I'm at break even. I actually have a free long right now. Are you kidding? Pump it. I'm just moving my stop up. Hoo-hoo! I turned it, baby. We green. Don't worry, I'm in 2 minis long. Dude, I mean, the play was there, but it's risky. I got to cover myself so people aren't like, oh, I went all in at fucking, you know, up here with 3 minutes left of the market. Yo, today was freaking profitable as hell, man. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like we crushed it on the stream. I feel like we really crushed it on the stream. It could always be worse. You could have put your life savings in AMC. Jeez. Oh, Brad, what are you looking at? Bookmap? Uzan lost a take profit trader eval. Oh, that sucks, man. Yeah. It's going. It's definitely going. I mean, wow. You know what's crazy is GME came up on the option screen at my option screener at like $11 before the massive run, and I was in it and sold at like 15 bucks with options. I could have made so much money. Because the Ducks, I don't know. I have no idea. How long have you been coming on the stream for, Luna? Let's start there. How many days have you been on the stream? And I can run the odds. Do you hang out in the morning? Do you come on the afternoon? Because normally there's like 70 or 80 ducks. If there's 80 ducks and we only do this, we give away like 3 or 4 accounts a week, you basically need 20 weeks before the odds are that you would win one. You know, just do the odds. How many ducks there are versus how many days it's ran and what your odds are. There's only one winner. There's only one winner, and there's 80 ducks, so 80 times it would have to run. If you did it 4 times a week, it'd be Dude, we got green, Nism. We got green. I also have another funded account that's up $800 today. You took that short at the end. If this candle was also green and it was up, I like that short where you run into close like massive, and then when it closes, it just dumps. My ass is green. I want to see if I can turn this green. Come on, baby. I don't need 98. What do I need? How many? Fuck. Come on. Come on. Push it. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm so greedy. I wanted to turn green. Oh, I'm gonna get stopped out now. I just wanted it to turn green. So stupid. I was up. The good old days, I was up. Nah, I was up. I wanted it to go green. Fuck it. One last try. Do not follow this. It's at the 34. It's in this fair value gap. Dude, this is the sweep I wanted. Holy shit. I didn't realize that. We swept the month high and we came back through. Dude, this is probably, that's the short I wanted. I wanted to take that. Fuck. That's the short. Ooh, I didn't realize that. It's kind of late now. I'm not doing shit. But we were talking about it on how if we swept the previous month high when we came back through, I was saying to short it. You know, but I would want to be mid-market. Yo, what up, crypto? What up? What's going on, man? What's up, Skanky, Crypto Skanky 26? What's going on? Damn, Bartolo. Dude, is crypto did he leave? Did you come in the room just to type that and leave? Or is it a bot? Probably a bot. I wish there was more time in the market to be 100% honest. 93 was the short. $93 was the short. What's up, Bartolo? Hey, man, I'm glad people are making money because that's what it's about, right? That's exactly what it's about. Dude, I love people that come in and say I suck and then they leave. I don't get mad. See, like, it's so weird. Like, if we were in normal market hours, dude, a break over 89 right here would be bullish as hell. You basically went down, you made it right back up, and then you go over. I don't understand how he can come in and say I suck on like not knowing, but then like just looking at all the green on this screen. He probably got destroyed in butthole coin. Probably made him excited. What up, Bob? Yo, get a shave. I'm gonna see my mom tonight at my kid's basketball game. She's gonna be like, "Why don't you shave?" I could see it already. Why was 93 the short? It's a good question. Now is the perfect time to ask questions. So a lot of times you end up sweeping the highs of previous months, weeks, whatever it may be. And being that we just ran, I don't know, 200 points, we swept over the previous month's high. I would have taken it when we come back in. I would have taken 93 as a short. Now, I'm not saying that it can't continue going up because it could definitely keep going up. But when it comes back through, there's going to be a momentum factor that brings you down further in. And you could easily scalp it for, 10, 15 points. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying. Also, I wouldn't be trading it. Technically, I don't trade after hours. I like when the liquidity is more down. But you should have like previous day lows in here. Look, previous day low was literally the bottom yesterday. We went to the previous day low and bounced. Like a lot of the times it's just support or you get a sweep. You got to remember the pivot point was right here. We're after hours. This isn't necessarily real trading. This is more, the volume is like nothing compared to what it is during the day. So, missed the exit, liquidated. What'd you do? You shorted back in and then didn't cover, I guess. I would have got weary of the short on this big candle because this is where they would have broke it down. They should have kept pushing it down with continuation. Instead, they bought it right back up. TPT couldn't sell? That's weird. But yeah, I mean, those are things. It happens on.
The markets are closed.
I'll show you also. So I have like the orbs on here as well. It happens a lot with orbs. Here's like the 15-minute. Here's the 15-minute trading range. These both green. You'll get a sweep below, and then you come back and rip. So there's just certain things where what happens is somebody has sell orders or they try to go short out of the orb. So you'll get a push down, and then algos just buy it right back up, back into the trading range, and push it to the top of the range. Can I? Yeah. You can trade. You can trade with Take Profit Trader till the end. If you don't get out of Take Profit Trader, yeah, but I think you could trade to like 958 or something. But I wouldn't trade Take Profit Trader after hours, personally. I don't trade Take Profit Trader after hours at all, ever. I don't know if you can, but I'm pretty sure you can, but I'm not. I think it says on their website you can, but you got to double check that. Now on to gold for the night. Yo, Ray, I mean, you're up a bunch, right? Are you trading live or are you trading evals? I mean, it seems like you're doing pretty well. Oh, really? I have been trading gold in the Asia session. Yep. If I've made 15 gold trades, I've won 14 of them. I passed a My Funded Futures account last night with just trading gold. I've made a lot of other money just trading gold also. I am trading gold on larger time frames, though. I'm not looking at the minute chart on gold. The problem with trading after hours is A, there's less volume, and B, you only have like 40 minutes. So you know, if you get stuck, you're stuck. Am I trading gold tonight? I will look at the gold chart at like 8:30 tonight, only because my daughter is in her championship basketball game tonight. So we are going to championship basketball, and I will not be around to trade gold. But she should be done. The game is done at like 7:30, 8 o'clock. And then everyone's going out for ice cream after at Carvel. So I'm probably not going to be home until close to 9 o'clock. So, you know, I probably won't be trading gold tonight. So we'll see. We shall see. Oh, man. All right, you got 6 more minutes if you want to join the duck race. If you want to ask questions, now's the time. Yeah, yo, Ray, I would take like $5,000 of that out. Personally, I would take 5 G's of that out just so you have it. So in case you do go on a bad streak, you've taken money out. That's what I do when it starts growing. Take some money out. I meant just take money out and put it in your bank. Dude, that's crazy, man. People are going against Topstep now. That's wild. You never had a payout? You never had a payout? That's crazy. I wish I had like oh, you know what? I didn't I'm not trading this after hours. Fuck me, man. I didn't get a trading day in on this account. I have nothing I want to try. I wanted to go short right here. Marie, you're doing really well though now. I feel like you're doing really well. Can you trade take profit trader after hours though? Yo, I'm pulling it up right now. Yeah, I have until 5 p.m. Eastern time. Fuck yeah, might as well just get a day in real quick. Dude, I'm not even doing this for a trade. Let's see how long it goes. Yeah, it says it on their website. You could trade till 5 p.m. All right, I got my trade in. Trading day is done for there. That's awesome. I'm going to get water, and then we're going to run this duck race. All right. Let me see this. All right. Dude, this is up to you guys. Yo, tell me if you want me to reset this. There's 72 people that came in and submitted their submitted for the duck race, but there's only 41 people in the chat. So there's obviously people that ducked in. There's people that just duck in and just duck out. Yeah, but there's like people signing into multiple accounts and things like that. Yo, there's an overwhelming amount of yeses. How can, they're fucking not even here. There, you got 5 minutes to join it real quick, and I'm shutting it off. I don't understand. There's like double the amount of people. Yeah. There's like double the amount. It's all like how there's 30 something people that aren't even in. Bro, cracking down, bro. It's probably bots. Probably bots. Like, I don't care when it's close, but like, it's not even close. Like, if it was like 62 and there was like 45, I'd be like, all right, cool. I should make random funny codes every time. Well, it takes more than a minute because by the time I click on it, my voice is delayed probably a couple seconds. Why? Oh, CT, so people don't come in and just drop. Why? Do you think there's a bot that goes around and just drops the code every day? Do you think that's what it is? A bot that just kind of drops? Just to let you know what the deal is, I'm going to give away a Take Profit Trader account. 50K Take Profit Trader account. Email me. Get the account. Use the coupon code. Get the account. Send me the receipt, and I'll send you a Venmo, Zelle, or PayPal. I've been getting massive complaints about people who are winning just for the money. So people wanted to see it being used for accounts. So that's the only way I can make sure it's used for accounts. You can get an Apex 50K account or a Take Profit Trader 50K account. I would do it randomly in the middle of the session, but it takes time, and I'm always looking for trades to make money. Code. I didn't get any accounts from anybody yet. How much is a Take Profit Trader account? It's $85. So if you win, use my code, go buy a Take Profit Trader account, and I will send you the money right away. I have Zelle, Venmo, or PayPal. I've sent so many people in this chat money that, believe me, I am more than good for it. Kevin, I got like, I'll be honest with you, I've gotten like maybe at least 5 DMs saying that, because what I think happens, and I'm telling you, this happened already. Somebody won and they just wanted to use the money for something else. Like, I also want it to be used for trading because that's what this is. It's a trading community. So I actually want it to go to somebody who's going to use it for an account to further along their trading journey. You know, that's honestly what I wanted it to go for, is to push, you know, to help people out for their trading journey and keep it rolling. But yeah, I mean, I could show you a top, you know, you're getting the money, believe me. You're more than getting the money. So take Profit Trader 50K, Apex 50K, whatever you want to do. I'll hook you up. All right, you got 10 seconds left to enter, and I'm about to run this shiznick. Can we do a My Funded Futures account? Maybe. Give me an account. All right. CT, you're in already. I see you. You're like one of the first people that. All right, here we go. I'm gonna run this thing. I gotta cook dinner and I gotta get to this championship basketball game. Yo, if you're new here, and we stream every day, 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. It's below. It should automatically give you the best discount, and it works pretty much at every prop firm. I appreciate the support. I don't charge for anything. I don't charge for Discord. I don't charge for the account. I don't charge for anything. Oh my God, my back's killing me, guys. Crack, crack, baby. Dude, I forgot to enter mine. Oh, why do I always forget to enter? I always forget to enter. Unbelievable. Dude, it only matters where you are at the end because people will come up out of nowhere. I have a feeling Marie is going to win. Marie or Visible ID is going to win. I always feel like whoever wins is like in the middle of the pack and like kind of over here. That's how I feel. It's always like somewhere in the middle. You got Kyle, Walter, Gene, Kitty, Corey's over here. Yo, what up, Corey? I didn't even know you were in here. What up? Uh-oh, last 20 seconds. Apparently my third leg just got heavy. Let's see. Marie, you're hanging out there smoking a cigar right there. 8. Nah, somebody's coming up. Andy. Watchmaker Rob. Bob. Yo, you got 2 minutes, Bob. You won. Shoot me an email. Shoot me an email. Yeah, shoot me an email and you got it. Yo, later, Sean. Yeah, Bob, shoot me an email right now because I can hook up everything right now for you. Otherwise, I'm going to basketball in an hour and 20 minutes. So, dude, today was an awesome day. We definitely stacked today. So, definitely stacked today. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I don't know, just real quick, economic news. Let's see what's going on tomorrow. Tomorrow you have import price index, U.S. sales, retail sale minus autos. So that's all at 8:30. 10 o'clock you have business inventories. I don't know if that's going to really move anything. 8:30 might move it a little bit. Not enough for me to play news though. But I don't. How were you not added? Were you in the room? Was the Duck Master in the room? You got to be in the room. I don't know why you should have been added if you did it. I don't add. It's all auto. Everybody else got in. Are you sure you weren't in? I'm just curious. I'm going through it. I just took it right off here. I don't see that you were added at all. I don't see that Streamlabs added you. I do not see that Streamlabs added you. It is always tomorrow. Tomorrow we're doing it again. So always tomorrow. Honestly, if you hung around for all the trades today, you'd be up. You'd be up a ton today. Trades are where it's at. More than the duck is learning to trade, following your rules. More than winning the duck race is, I want you guys to get out, making quality trades and getting payouts. That should be more important than any of the duck race. And we stacked a lot of money today. So, yeah. The goal is obviously to get payouts. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow at 10:30. All right? I will see you tomorrow. Peace.